Shout it out, I said, I have given up what I thought I knew. Shout it out, I said, now I have a voice and a point of view.
Target. Target. Center, stay there, target.
Just like that.
That's nice. Nice.
A bird! Pretty good, he went for the shot.
Fires the incredibly powerful .338 caliber Lapua round, considered by many experts as the best round ever made. When temperatures drop to 50 below, it's so cold you can't even touch the weapon without gloves. They even designed a trigger housing large enough to fit a gloved finger. But the most innovative part is in the design of the bolt. And for long-range shooting, they've made some modifications. They've added a muzzle brake to limit the flash, reducing the chance that the sniper will be spotted. A sniper's job isn't easy at the best of times, but operating in the Arctic has its own unique challenges. Just imagine the fear that creates in the enemy.
What's amazing about the Barrett is that it can actually deliver 10 rounds downrange in less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. That's the last place you want to be.
Shout it out, I said. I have given up what I thought I knew. Shout it out.
Amazing. It shoots 5 rounds downrange, faster than I've ever seen anything fire, and it's accurate. It makes a big difference on the battlefield.
I have to say that based on what I've seen, the AS-50 does live up to its promise. It's everything you need from a sniper system, a weapon with a long reach that destroys its target. Perfect.
Out, I said. Now I have a voice and a point of view. What's the wrong? Who's to blame? We live by consequences, and I'm ready to fight. What's the wrong? Who's to blame? Conflict of circumstances, but
It's just a warm-up.
Hit. Hit. 5 o'clock. Hit. Center mass.
So, hitting a target that's just over a half a mile away is pretty straightforward.
About 6 o'clock. Hold slightly higher.
All right, done.
Did you see that rock? You just nicked the rock right behind it.
It's just above, wasn't it?
Yeah, the plate was right here. You went right here. 12 o'clock, so just hold slightly lower. Is that 11 o'clock on the plate?
Yep.
There's a mark on the plate right there at 11 o'clock.
Incredible.
That was a clean target.
Incredible.
Now I've found my hold. Time to take 2 more shots.
All right. And at 2,530 yards, we did this. A 3-round group.